So you don't click the uTorrent web, we don't want that one, we want the uTorrent classic. Click, go to the basic and let it download. Then you click the installer, click yes, next to continue, read the warning, read the license agreement and privacy policy. I'm declining McAfee Web Advisor and Opera and AVG. Uncheck create quick launch icon. Uncheck start uTorrent when Windows starts up and let it install. Launch application on exit. And we can minimize this window. And it opens up. You can also click this cross at the top. And that is all.